How to Storio, how to Storio.
How to use the version history feature in the Writer tool. Have you ever accidentally deleted your draft? Or simply want to reuse a prompt that previously worked great for you? That's why we built the version history feature. Look for the clock icon in the top corner of your writing workspace. Click it to open version history. You'll see your chapter versions listed in chronological order. You can scroll through your timeline, copy past versions, or directly reuse. Clicking this clock icon in the prompt box will open a separate tab where you can view the full version history of your prompts and outputs, listed in chronological order. You can reuse any previous prompts you liked by copying them. You can also give feedback by clicking the thumbs up or thumbs down icons to mark which outputs worked best for you. Whether you're testing tones, exploring different plot directions, or just revisiting past versions, the History tab keeps everything organized
How to
and
Storio.
accessible.